Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best candle warmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the classic fragrance Warmer-Pewter Walnut. Looking for a safe and smart candle warmer? You should give it a shot to Candle Warmer's Pewter Walnut 2-in-1 Classic Fragrance Warmer. It is designed with a 2 options choice, which you can either use with candle wax by just putting wax of your favorite fragrance on the designed plate on its top and waiting for it to melt, and the wax is also reusable. Moreover, you can pour the melted wax into the container. Then, it is good to go for the next time. And, another way to use it is to put the candle jar, cup directly on the warmer device, turn it on, and let the device work on the rest. More specifically, this candle warmer fragrance not only gives you a safe candlelit experience, but it can also release much of the fragrance all over your place or wherever you put it. Besides working as a candle warmer, it can also be used as a home decoration since it is classically designed to fit every home decor. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Giggle House Ceramic Electric Wax Melt Warmer Candle Waxing Warmer. If you are searching for a home decor and a candle warmer device all in one piece, then the cartoon owl pattern is your best fit. With its beautiful and cartoon-like design, I bet you will just buy it with one glance. The owl warmer pattern melted wax is made of ceramic, which is light to carry and easily move around. What is more, the body is a sculpture with space between its body like a container so that you can pour your oil fragrance or your melted wax of your favorite fragrance in it. Then, you can simply plug the provided adapter into the electric device or power source and turn it on. Eventually, the warmer will melt the candle wax and release the fragrance all over the place. The light within the device from your melted wax fragrance can also work as a lamp as well. What a greater experience you're looking for out of this magical device. At number 3, we have the Hosley'sCream Ceramic Fragrance Candle Wax Warmer. Hosley'sCream Ceramic Electric Fragrance Warmer is classically designed with its small feature and lightweight to carry and move from place to place, and with the plate on its top, you can easily put the candle wax or essential oil in it and get ready to absorb the best smell of its fragrance. Using it in an open area, it will bring about a fresh and relaxing feeling. To add more to that, this electric fragrance warmer is also easily accessed with just one tap into the power source, and there you are ready to kick a fresh start. At number 2, we have the IlluminationFragrance Warmer, Peppercorn. Hunting for a remarkable candle warmer, Peppercorn Candle Warmer Stream is all you need to end your day in peace. Beautifully made in a good tranquil striped feature and designed with a removable silicone dish on top, make it comfortable for you to put your candle wax and remove it after use with just one quick tap. This smart candle warmer also comes with a timer that allows you to set time on your devices to turn itself off automatically after the wax is fully melted and its fragrance is released all over the place. The Peppercorn Candle Warmer Stream is not only made to prevent the fire hazard, but it is also helpful for the environment without causing any pollution. Since it is a time set, you do not have to worry whether you forget to turn off the warmer or leave it to burn out unnecessary. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ceramic and Dish, Chevron. Carefully made and designed with a chevron pattern, this candle warmer is the first and best choice for every person who has sought for a simple and classic look for home decoration. This chevron candle warmer is a best-selling product that comes with 2 options. With its 2 separate pieces, the upper part is specifically designed like a small dish which you can put your scented candle or wax melt. The lower part of the piece is made to fit with candle jar, so whatever way you want to give it a try, both way will let you enjoy the best scent of your fragrance. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.